Hey, I'm Cesar from Chatwith. Today we want to answer the top questions about WhatsApp Business. These questions are the ones we are seeing in our YouTube channel. And as you can see, there are plenty of topics about WhatsApp Business. No? Add the WhatsApp Business description, WhatsApp Business account, how to create WhatsApp Business, how to create WhatsApp account, create your business profile, how to make business account on WhatsApp. So there are plenty of questions about WhatsApp Business. So today we are going to focus on that, and the idea is to help you with this demo. This is my WhatsApp Business. So we are going to see how you can manage your WhatsApp Business account. The first one, add a business description. As you can see here on the top, let's go back to this is WhatsApp Business. I have my messages here. Inside settings, we have business tools, and in business tools, you have your profile. You can add your business name, phone number, categories, location, website, business description, and the hours, email, catalog. I don't have a catalog, but you can add it, and the about. No, this will be the basic business profile information. What you need to add here, obviously, as many items as possible. The business name is important, the photo is important, the category is important. Everything here is important. What is interesting? What is, I think, let's say, good for your business? If you have one business, you can add everything about your business here. Anything you have, you need to add it here. But sometimes what happens is you manage different businesses, you manage different accounts, or you manage different companies on behalf of these companies. Let's say you are an agency and you manage different businesses. What you need to add here is something that is generic, something about customer support, or something about like your name or things like that. Something that don't make the profile unique, because sometimes, as I mentioned, sometimes you manage different businesses for different companies. So you need to have something that is a bit more generic. Okay, so I will say that is important about the business description. Okay, is specifically the business description is down here. Okay, is the about and the business description. Okay, you can add as much information as you want. So second, how to create business account. This is free. This is the business account. The only thing you need to do is you need to go to the App Store or the App Store or Play Store, or I don't know how it's called, but you need to go search for WhatsApp Business and download. I do it here. I search for WhatsApp Business. WhatsApp Business is here, and that's it. You download, open, you add the phone number, and that's it. The phone number you add here can be a landline or a mobile number. Landline or mobile number. So this option, I think, is good for most, let's say, for most business, because probably your customers already have your landline number in their contacts. So this will be like a shortcut to get as many customers as fast as possible in your WhatsApp Business. And finally, create your business profile. This is more about, the catalog. Obviously, you can add here items in your catalog. You can add the greeting message. I think this is always very important, the away message. Away message is like if you don't work, on the weekends, or you don't work at night, or you don't work, I don't know, in some hours. I think it's always good to have the away message on. And then the labels. Labels are very important, because this is going to help you manage, your providers, your clients, your businesses, everything that you want to manage here. Labels are going to really, really, really help you a lot. Like you can have all your, service providers, partners, clients, everything like that can be there. So labels are very important. Profile is very important. Catalog is important if you have it. If you are a service company, you need to be a bit creative about what is a catalog for you, but this is something we will talk more about later. And this, the greeting message, I think is very important, and the away message. Those are very useful for any business. So, this is the most common questions about WhatsApp. So, you have it here. If you have questions, if you want to learn more about WhatsApp, please send us a message and we will help you. Okay, thank you. Bye-bye.